911, this is Holly. What's the location of your emergency?
Hi, I was actually calling because my fiance actually got the tripping, and I'm kind of like in a police chase, you could say,
You're in a
with the
police
Meridian,
chase?
with the Meridian police, yeah. And they've been there like chasing me, and it's been there, but it's like, so how do I really go about that?
Okay, well, let me just see. Can you pull over somewhere and I can have an officer come speak with you?
No, because like honestly, he's in there like saying some extra shit, and like I'm gonna go to jail, and I'm not going to jail.
Are you armed with anything yourself?
Say that again?
Are you armed with any weapons yourself?
I mean, yeah.
What are you armed with?
Glock 19. I'm sorry, but
You're sorry, but what?
can you tell my family I love them? Because I'm not going to jail, but I'd rather kill myself before I do. So I'd rather have them to tell them to back off.
They're not going to back off, sir. You're continuing to flee from them and
kill myself right
okay.
I will kill myself right now before I fucking back off.
Well, I definitely don't want you to kill yourself. So just stay where you are. Slow down.
Tell them right now before they fucking sit here and keep. I will kill myself right now.
Might get on the interstate. Up front, he's getting on eastbound 84, or correction, westbound 84. I'm gonna try for a pit on the on-ramp. Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Stay back, stay back, stay back! Hands! Show us your hands! Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up! Get out of the car! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Let go of the gun! Move your hands! You put your hands behind there! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Hands up! Someone take commands with the PA.
I'm gonna try for a pit on the on-ramp.
He's going. Successful pit.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Hands!
Get out of the car!
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Get out of the car! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Let go of the gun!
Right behind you. Who's got Glock on?
I do. I got chest seal and give me a non-bandage. Actually, give me the bandage from front. Sorry.
Grab it. Right there.
Bandage from front. Chest seal. Yeah, I got one right here.